Hello and welcome to 1192 Rhode Island. This is a one-bedroom in Potrero Hills. To the right is a nice bathroom. There is a full bath with tub and shower, medicine cabinet, shelving. The bedroom is very spacious. You have nice shutters with nice paned windows. There is a nice big closet with double shelving. There's also a closet as you walk in here. This is a deep closet. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. And yet another closet that would make a really great pantry or linen closet. You have an eat-in kitchen. It's hooked up for sonic, refrigerator, gas range, beautiful built-in cabinets. This is a corner unit, so you get lots of sunlight. This door leads to a shared roof deck, which I will show you in just a little bit. And here is an amazing living room. Light-filled corner unit with hardwood floors throughout. And there is a nice area here for a desk. And there is a plug in that room as well. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much for looking.